Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special for you. We're counting down the top 8 coolest gadgets every live streamers from Amazon should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast, a DIY crafter, or a fitness guru, these gadgets will take your live streams to the next level. So without further ado, let's dive in. 8. Gimbals offer powered stabilization. For static shots, you can get stable recordings with something as simple as a sturdy set of tripod legs, typically with a fluid head for smooth pans and camera movements. If you want to move during a shot, you can opt for a video monopod or for rock-solid footage, a powered gimbal. Gimbals balance your camera using brushless motors to keep it in place with smooth motion and no additional noise. They require some setup. You need to make sure your camera is properly centered and balanced for the best results. There's a learning curve, but with some practice, you should be able to set up your kit in about 15 minutes. Once everything is up and running, a gimbal delivers perfectly smooth footage like you get from a Steadicam on a Hollywood set or from a drone. 7. 12-inch ring light. Razer's 12-inch offering is a standard, low-end unit with few bells and whistles. It sells for $80 direct, $20 less on Amazon. It comes in the usual great Razer packaging, however, so you feel like you're getting a treat even if the contents are pretty standard. Inside is the light, a tripod that can adjust for desk or floor use, a flex bracket to hold a phone, and a ball joint bracket for other cameras, such as the Razer Kiyo webcam that have a threaded tripod mount. The button controls for the light are all found on the power cable, which plugs into a USB port on a PC, outlet, or power block, but a 5V2 power block is not included. You don't get a range of color temps, only 3 presets of 3000K, warm white, 4500K, balanced, and 6500K. 6. Sennheiser Profile Streaming Set. USB microphones can be used to record music, though these days they're just as likely to be used for podcasting or streaming. The Sennheiser Profile Streaming Set, $199 with a boom arm, is clearly geared toward the latter. We like the cardioid mic's clear, relatively transparent signal for vocals, but it really stands out for its onboard gain, headphone level, and mixing knobs. Simply put, few mics offer as clean a signal with this much control, earning the Sennheiser Profile our Editor's Choice Award. The Sennheiser Profile is available in 2 packages, with a desktop stand for $129 or with a boom arm for $199. This review covers the latter, which Sennheiser calls the Profile Streaming Set. The cylindrical profile mic has a sturdy metallic build, measures roughly 6.0 by 1.9 inches HL, sports physical controls on the front and offers connections on the rear. 5. Elgato HD60X. The Elgato HD60X takes the top spot as the best capture card in 2024. Its native Xbox Series X and 5-pound support, excellent full HD picture quality, and compact size can't be beaten. Priced at $199.99/189 $315. It's not the cheapest option available, but it excels in all the right places given its asking price. Thanks to the 4K pass-through, you can enjoy the full visual capabilities of your current-gen console without any obvious degradation in picture quality. We greatly appreciate that all the essential ports, HDMI in, HDMI out, and USB-C for connecting to a PC or laptop, are housed in the rear of the unit. There's support for 1080p 60 with full HDR10 and variable refresh rate, meaning the footage captures as smoothly as possible. In our experience, this was the sweet spot for getting consistent results on PC. Mac users may need to look elsewhere for their capture card fix, as we had a few issues connecting with a MacBook. All told, if you have a Windows machine and want the best results with minimal messing around, then the Elgato HD60X is the capture card to beat. 4. Stream Deck. Video game streaming continues to boom with more and more players trying their luck broadcasting game footage. Not everyone can make it big, but there are plenty of viewers out there to compete for and tools to help you succeed. The Elgato Stream Deck, $149.99, could be a serious streamer's best friend, offering a customizable set of shortcut buttons for your most frequent commands while broadcasting. It allows you to set multiple hotkeys across a variety of programs for streaming and video capture services, as well as other tasks like clipping game footage and setting macros. The Stream Deck is not essential for everyone, especially given its price, but for consistent streamers with an audience, it's a valuable accessory. Up front, you may be unsure what this product is for, so I'll start with an explanation. The Stream Deck is built for people who stream themselves playing video games via online streaming services. Think Twitch, Mixer, and YouTube. The deck contains 3 rows of 5 physical buttons on its face, each button with a tiny customizable LCD screen within it. The Stream Deck not essential for streaming per se, but it makes doing things while you are streaming seamless. To do so, you assign frequently used commands to a series of physical buttons. 3. Logitech Brio 500. It's been over a decade since Logitech released a new webcam, for non-creators anyway. And while the Logitech Brio 500's 1080p/30fps resolution may sound underwhelming, its performance is not. Armed with a flexible 90-degree field of view and Logitech's R800 4 image adjustment technology, the Brio 500 produces an impressive exposure balance image right out of the box and is a great choice for most people. We were especially impressed with the Brio 500's auto white balance, which is something almost all webcams struggle with. It wasn't perfect, but it was almost as impressive as the auto-white balance seen on much pricier webcams such as the Insta360 Link. Logitech's R800 4 technology, which is designed to compensate in less than ideal lighting situations, did an excellent job of producing flattering, evenly lit images in both low and overexposed lighting. The Logitech Brio 500 is a great example of how resolution isn't everything. It may have the same surface-level specs as older Logitech webcams, such as the C920S and C930E, but it produces much better images. 2. Logitech R800. The Logitech R800 features a bright green laser pointer that's easy to see in any room, and the USB wireless receiver should allay any worries you might feel using a Bluetooth remote. With a 100-foot range, you're free to move about as you please without worrying about losing your connection. The R800 has an LCD display that features a timer, which delivers silent vibrational alerts so you can keep track of time without having to disengage from your audience. The large buttons are easy to navigate without having to look, and you'll get solid battery life from just 2 AAA batteries. Pricing starts around $50. Dussel's presentation remote is a little thicker than a pen, but it'll still fit comfortably in your pocket, and its hook helps it stay in place so you always know where it is. It features a laser pointer, so you can get the whole room focused on what matters. 1. GoVN1 Smart LED Strip Light. With the GoVN1 Strip Light, you're not just getting a light source, but a versatile tool to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a vibrant dance party or setting a calm, dreamy mood, the countless bright colors and patterns, thanks to its RGBIC technology, allow for endless customization with just a touch of a button. Setting up the GoVN1 is a breeze, and it can be adhered to almost any surface. With a simple pair of scissors, you can adjust the length of the strip to your liking. The app, accessible via a QR code on the box, offers a wide range of features from timers and brightness control to themed color groupings and flashing patterns. This versatility and user-friendly interface make it a great choice for any smart home setup. The Music Dream View feature even syncs your playlist with the lighting effects, giving a nightclub feel when you're energized or a subdued dreamy ambience when it's time to settle down. And there you have it, our top 8 coolest gadgets for live streamers.fr on Amazon. Which ones are you adding to your setup? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy streaming!